Good afternoon from Pakistan, and I start my first premier show. Hope you all attend my premier show and give me the honor. I welcome you all, especially the Sigmark, Love Ramos, Sir Alo TV, Kuya Rupert, and very special for me is Vance Vlogs. Please come and attend my live stream, and I will be very happy if you come in my premiere show. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Before giving spinal anesthesia, we have to check the patient's file first. It is written here the patient's hemoglobin is 9.6 and hepatitis C and hepatitis B is negative, and the patient is having previous one cesarean section. The blood group is A positive and she is about 30 years of age. And okay, now I want to check her laboratory investigations. Blood group is A positive and patient cross matching is okay. It's okay. Now have to check the patient's test. Hemoglobin is 9.6, WBC 7.1, and platelets is 419. So the patient investigation CBC is normal. Okay. And I have to check the patient's consent. The consent is already given, and this one is the consent written, high risk consent. I have to check it first. It is a high risk consent, so it is okay. And date is March 2021. Okay. Now I have to check the patient's vital sign prior to surgery. We have to check. This is blood pressure 120/74, and this is the oxygen saturation 97. So 97. So and 96 it is okay. It should be 100%, but it's 96, so it can be. It is okay for the patients. And the heart rate is 107. It's okay. And this is the mean arterial pressure. Mean arterial pressure is very important. It should be between 60 to 130 millimeter of mercury. So the mean arterial pressure is 87, so it is okay. And this is the pulse volume. So pulse volume is normal. It is not high and not low. So it is normal pulse volume. And this is the graph. This is the graph. Oxygen dissociation curve. When patients inspire, it comes up, and when patients expire, it goes down. So there is normal oxygen dissociation curve. पतला बन क्या है लगाओ और क्या हाँ बेबी पेपर ये तो बड़ा अच्छा न्यूबॉर्न बेबी गुड वर्क फ्रॉम स्टाफ नर्स have a tag just like this one. We have tag. Not given. No need to give oxygen. Oxygen दोगी या नहीं? आप कहाँ चले अच्छा इसका शो करना इसके हाथ में बेबी गुलनाज बेबी ऑफ गुलनाज मेल थैंक यू अभी और तो नहीं है ना